Dun, 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 dun. I feel like the worst version of Beyonce. Like, Beyonce is the best version, and then I'm the like terrible wannabe replica. That's me right now. Bitch, learn to turn your camera off when you're done. How about that? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this wig for you. Oh! Today on my channel I'm gonna review this wig for you guys and style it and show you how I installed it. Very, very detailed. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, so the wig is from Yolissa Hair. It came in this box. Every package, ooh, not you interrupting. Every package I've received lately has been like coming. Okay, hold on. Has been coming like this, like just really tore up. Like, I don't think it has anything to do with the company. But this is what came inside the box. This little, I don't know what this is. I guess it's like maybe like to tie the hair down. These lashes, and here is the wig. And the wig is color 27. I don't remember the inches, but this is what it was. This is what it looks like. I always put that bag on my wig head just so I don't you know, with corona going on and stuff like that, I just keep things, you know, as clean as possible. So I always put the bag on and then take the bag off, throw it away, blah 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 blah. But this is what it looks like. This is the inside of the cap. This is blurred out because my stupid boob was in the video, so yeah. Stupid girl, that's me. But this is the wig. I was trying to do a whole, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I was trying to do way too much with the partying and styling. I was trying to do, like, you know, them cute little Insta baddie little, like, different, you know, the like cute little braids and stuff. I'm about to embarrass the cute little stuff they do, you know. And it just didn't go that way because I'm just not built like that. I'm not talented like that. I'm not arrogant. I'm not Jonathan. I'm nothing of the sort. So I just got frustrated and took it right out. But I did not put a lot of that footage in here. I promise y'all, I was trying to style this wig for like 30 minutes just to see what I was gonna do, because that would have just, you know, like made I don't know. Anyways, this is after I've washed the hair. I wash any wig that I get now. Well, I don't know why I said now, but here's it freshly washed. I lightly shampooed it and then I just let it sit in conditioner for I think about a day. No, I'm lying. I'm aggressively lying. It was maybe like 4 hours. I was thinking of a different wig, but this is what I used. This is actually what I used the first time, was that conditioner. I'm gonna take a dime size amount. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take a lot because we don't do the dime size BS over here, sister girl. This is me leaving it, and then this is it dry. That's all I do. So like after I take it out, I just put some conditioner and then I let it dry. Here we are, braiding it again. Oh, I was sectioning. I think I was trying to style it again. Not a good idea because I am not good at it. Here come the yawning ass bullshit. Now this is me with the got to be, you know, I'm just putting my wig cap on. I think I'm gonna do an in-depth video on this next install, like start to finish installing my wigs. And so I feel like I kind of like pick and choose what I show and what I don't. So this is, you know, I always tie the wig cap at the back just so that my hair doesn't poke through the bottom because it loves to do that. What am I doing? Oh, I left a lot of footage in here. That's crazy as hell. I tuck her. Then this is, I realized that my cap was basically just not on properly, so I was fixing it because my hair was out too much. Oh, not me ending the sound on accident. Put my wig on. I measured, like, you know, where I should put the glue. This, not all that good stuff. Then I put the glue down. Don't put too many coats of this. I learned my lesson with making the glue too thick and putting too much glue down. It just doesn't help it stick any better. If anything, it's gonna come off faster. Don't make that mistake. Learn from me. Especially with like HD lace or like thinner laces. This is not HD or the thinner lace, but that just made me think of that. I'm about to yawn again. But yeah, just be careful. You don't need too many coats. 2, I would cap it at 2. I do 3 if if the lace is like pretty thick. I'll do 3. I brush it so that, you know, if I glue any hair down, it won't get stuck. Excuse me, what is wrong with me? Blow dry, pat, press it in. I wanted this lace to stick down. I wanted her to stay put, my love. Then I did the other side. I've actually used to be so opposed to putting the wig on first and not cutting the lace and then putting it on, and I just realized my bra is on backwards. All right. And then not like I wasn't a fan of this method before, but I just realized how much easier it makes it, especially with laying the wig down. It definitely helps for a cleaner application, in my opinion. Is this just, oh, I was like, why I stopped for so long? Now I'm just putting the second layer. I'm about to yawn again. I'm so sorry. I'm over there, you know, blending her out, dabbing her out, you know, doing all that good stuff. Make sure make sure the glue is clear before you put another layer down, because if you put another layer down before it turns clear, it will not turn clear and you will see it through the lace. I've done that so many, look at my hair. I've done that so many times on accident as well. We're combing her again, and we're making sure, you know, there's no hair stuck down. I actually, now that I think of it, I don't think I plucked this wig at all. I have now realizing I don't think I've been doing that lately at all. Like, I think I've just been tossing them on my head because they've been pretty well plucked. Even though they look pretty thick, like here, I don't remember tweezing this at all. Get those edges. I always leave the side edges last because those be the first to pop up, and I really want to make sure those secure down. I ain't apologizing for it no more. Y'all know I can't help it. Y'all know I can't help it. I ain't apologizing no more. Press it down. Make sure, somebody told me that lace glue is like activated when you press it down. Okay, I'm back, and my eyelashes are irritating me. All right, I'm back, and I finished install the wig. I finished doing my makeup, and I curled all the hair. I probably messed up some parts. Y'all know how that goes for me. But for the most part, I finished there, so I'm gonna take it out here on camera, and we'll see how it looks. So let's start with the bottom. Every time I do this, you know what? No, I'm not gonna manifest negativity. I'm not gonna manifest negativity. Ooh, I didn't mean to throw it like that. I'ma sing y'all a song when it pauses and speed, yeah. Okay, I'ma sing for you whenever it does this, so that y'all have something to listen to. I feel like this hairstyle is giving very 50s. Very not a time I want to be in. Now we put in this baby clip. I can already see some didn't hold their curl, like really subtle ones that didn't hold their curl, but they look really small, like really small pieces. I'm gonna try maybe perm rods tonight. See how it goes, because I actually installed it. This hair is really soft though, so I might do perm rod, curling rods. Ooh. Hello, sister girl. No, get out. Okay, so this front one did not curl at all. So I can already tell this front one did not curl in the slightest bit. So that one's gonna be redone. This looks like the only one that really didn't hold its curl. And this is the song for this part. Yada 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 yada. Oh, is this all of them? Oh. Then I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb and just, you know what, let me try doing my fingers first. Pull up a little side piece here. Remember when I did my loose bun, or my low bun, and I tried to act like I knew what I was doing with that? Hilarious. This is me singing for y'all. La 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 la. Be quiet, please! Be quiet, please! Damn. So I'm just gonna curl this one up here by itself, just because a lot of them held up. Last time I did this, the curls did not hold up like this, not in the slightest. This is a thin piece, so I don't feel like I need to hold it long. This one is always the most important one, and this is always the one that I mess up. While I wait for this to basically cool off so I can curl it again, I take this hairspray and I just, from a distance, spray the hair, because this hairspray is really strong and I don't want the hair to get hard. I can do some of the ones like in here, there's on the straighter side. Okay, that should be good. I'm just gonna recoil it, grab a clip, and clip that in there. Curling hair is boring as beep. My makeup look real good. The amount of hairspray I'm inhaling just, it tastes healthy. It tastes like it should be in my body. Like it is, period. It's not my problem. Oops. Beetlejuice, yes, it's clear. 2 words, okay. Second word, right? Drink. No, that's it. No. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. I really like how this hair is. This hair is nice. I need to recurl some more parts, but look, I ain't going nowhere. I'm staying in the house, so this is just for the house and obviously for my pictures. But yeah, if you guys like the hair, let me know. I like it. It definitely sheds. It's on the sheddy side, but again, any 27 colored hair, from the way I've been educated about them from you guys, is that basically they have to like double process this. So like they have to process it to be blonde, and then they have to process it to be this shade of blonde. So that's why it sheds so much. But I mean, this is not like any shedding that's like above, like it's not anything that's like excessively insanity. Like it's not that big of a deal to me. I just normally lay something down on my floor so that when I'm done, I can just wipe all the hair up and just throw it all away. But yeah, no, I really like this hair. I think it's really nice. It's holding the curls really well. That was a bad time to say that because that curl did not do well at all, but that was account of me. But yeah, I really like this. But yeah, I really don't have much to say. I really like it. Like, I'm sure the back looks terrible because y'all know how I am. But no, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Again, y'all know how I feel about 27 colored hair, because this is literally the hair color that I normally try to replicate and I can't ever do it. I'm eating this up. I'm eating this up right now. I'm loving it. I'm loving every second of it. Yeah, that's about it though. Like, subscribe, leave comments, turn on my notifications. I have adult nails. These are real different for me. Y'all about to fry me in the comments, but I'm prepared for it. It's fine. Next video is gonna be showing y'all how to make my butter, cheese, and jelly sandwich, the one that everybody hates on Twitter. Yeah, I'm about to bring it to YouTube. So if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.